God, then I introduce juju to social media. Like I mean, Edo Sabra now introduce juju. Okay, there's a woman where now she introduced juju to social media. And I love her. I love that woman. Because na person will be traditional woman. It know they like nonsense. So when they lie against her, the next thing she went ahead and brought Ayelala to social media. So everybody now took a step. Okay. So like that. So when people were like about Eddy Murphy, oh, it was the one who used his own mouth. Oh, God, you know, thank you, man. He was the one who used his mouth to say that stuff that time. I'm talking about years back, about 4 years ago. No, more than 5. More than 5 years ago. Eddy Murphy made a mistake of saying such thing. You know, at the end, the what do you call audio went viral. Me myself, I saw the audio. It was more than 5 or 6 years ago. I was like, who is this man? Who is this man? Is he sick? How can a man just wake up one morning saying that my mother, I fuck her, my brother wife, I fuck her for toilet, for kitchen, for year, I can't say, are you sure that this man?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Eddy Murphy. You know, this video where Jennifer do, I really love this video where she do because Eddy Murphy. Now you use your mouth talk, say you jogodo with your brother wife. So that your mama or me, I know here, I don't know whether you talk and be na Jennifer matter for the year and I say you talk and join them, you know. And more than not forget, now because of saga, I make a pa go talk that till that time with my people. Not be say a pa really jogodo with your brother wife who you know, according to Jennifer now say they don't know what to come over Eddy Murphy when they talk that word. Nothing like that happen. Even when we hear other person talk and say, let them when they quarrel say, you go use because of say you want pepper your brother wife, you go lie say na so you jogodo with your brother wife, whereas you not do anything like that. You understand, my people? So who does that? No, that thing now. Before anybody insult you, you jogodo with your brother wife, you jogodo with your brother wife. Now they defend the talk. You see, huh? So that is why this life, even though you divest, you want to use anger to talk something. Not forget, I said that thing people go to use for you too. At the same time, you they bring yourself down. You be say you want to bring your brother or wife down, but at the same time, you bring your own self down too. You understand? So that is why it's not good. We need to control what they talk for this our maths. We need to control them. They not gonna put us for problem. Yeah. So my people, I love what Jennifer talk. I'll put the video moon and see them now. Thank you, my darling people. Bye.
God, then I introduce juju to social media. Like I mean, Edo Sabra now introduce juju. Okay, there's a woman where now she introduced juju to social media. And I love her. I love that woman. Because na person will be traditional woman. It know they like nonsense. So when they lie against her, the next thing she went ahead and brought Ayelala to social media. So everybody now took a step. Okay. So like that. So when people were like about Eddy Murphy, oh, it was the one who used his own mouth. Oh, God, you know, thank you, man. It was the one who used his mouth to say that stuff that time. I'm talking about years back, about 4 years ago. No, more than 5. More than 5 years ago. Eddy Murphy made a mistake of saying such thing. You know, at the end, the what do you call audio went viral. Me myself, I saw the audio. It was more than 5 or 6 years ago. I was like, who is this man? Who is this man? Is he sick? How can a man just wake up one morning saying that my mother, I fuck her, my brother wife, I fuck her for toilet, for kitchen, for here, I can't say, are you sure that this man is normal? I'm mommy Juliet Edos agree to man. Are you sure that this man is normal? You know, and I called my sister that sent me those audio that time. I said, are you sure that what this man is saying, is he saying the truth? He said, now wow, the insurance model said now one man he married to Bobizwa Pikin. So, and I say, which of the Bobizwa Pikin is that? I'm talking about maybe 6 years now, you know, before everybody come and do live video. You know? I was like, hey, God, oh, yeah, Pikin, you're to saying sleep with mama. Hey, the thing shocked me. The thing chocolated me that time. Okay. Some people really believe because if no couldn't well like pa no. Or Tiana able to contact is okay. I remember that time, you know, both of us spoke for long. It's okay. Man told me that no, Jennifer. It's a lie. Say, now your husband though, you don't know what happened that day. Na agreement so na the you know na family things. Now the man just lose himself. He will just say all nonsense. I watch him sometimes in YouTube. I really feel pity. Okay, thank you. You see, so he now use his mouth to say all nonsense about, you know, his mom, his brother. Well, I say nothing like that happen. He okay told me yes, back. He said nothing like that happen. He said if it happen, say he will be okay. He go leave and he go leave the marriage. If such thing happen, you see he go leave Eddy Murphy, he go leave the marriage. I believe. I said okay. So when they come and talk and that thing, I say I'm not sure. Say this man do this thing. Some people they move. If they vex, they will lose it. They will they angry. They don't know what to when to stop, what to say, what not to say. Facebook guy, when I share this video for me, please, when I put love and like, please, you too, thumbs up, please, guys. I'm begging you guys, okay? So, like that, okay. So, that was, you know, that is it. A Padmofio, cause it ends. But I like the way it takes swear for that part, because he knows, say, now, waiting use the man to talk, now people can't use against him, because if police arrest you, does they do not say anything? Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. So what he don't do for ground, now people can they use against her in the court of social media. You understand? So I don't say a Paddy Murphy, the thing they pay now for body, in the filler because in a human being, blood they flow for a body. Okay? So when people just say, you do this, you be that, and they think they pay them for how many years? Because why? You not gonna feel fat people like that, because now what you use the man to talk, now you make them people gonna use against them. So but today now you don't clear the paths. You can't swear, say you never sleep with your mother. The only see where you know now where your mother put you for belly, where you carry you, where you push you. Now that one, now you do your mother belly. If I like the way it is swear that so because thank God say you don't swear say anybody where they talk and they go. Thank God say you know because now that part are for verse for you because for October where you are taking yeah. But you now mature man, you now obo before you know how to swear and you really swear. That swear. Say, Niakata, the ones where people say they talk about you, you don't forgive them. And from today go, anybody that want to go ahead be saying such nonsense about you, you can't swear put. Well done, bravo for you, okay? And next time, Epa, when anytime where you diverse, you still control your mouth. That is it. That is for you, Epa. Let's go to Isoken Idaosa, we marry Epa Eddy Murphy, who now known as social media president. The say make Isoken swear, but Isoken made a small mistake It's okay. I will tell you where you take made small mistake. When I put love and like for this video. Fine, Brenda. I greet you. Yeah, everybody's fine. I mean, Juliet. Yeah, everybody's fine. Please, guys, when I put love and like for this video, when I give me thumbs up, when I put love and like. Where is okay? Please, guys, if now they put love and like on YouTube or Facebook, don't know, say yes, you guys love this video or love what I'm saying. Okay, love and like don't cost anything. You have to press. Thank you. So, where is okay? Tell me the mistake, my people. I go be very honest. If your husband and people they quarrel, they will attack you all the time. You know, they keep on attacking you all the time because both of you are one. Okay, and that words what they use for you, me myself, Jennifer, I don't like her. Oh, who making? I be woman. Thank you, people. They put that love. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. I be woman. I they feel your pain. Yes. But the way you for take swear is okay. Just the way your husband take swear he owe. Now there you for take swear. Now there you take made a mistake. You for talk say when you so can love that word. Say since when you take know your